Okay, hello. Today you are going to learn how to create a presentation in Canvas application. Let's see. First, you're going to get into Google. Then we are going to find Canvas. Yeah. Then we choose this one. If you want to enter, you can sign out with your personal address, or by the way, in my case, I am going to register with Google. For this, I'm going to use my email, and I'm going to get with the email that I chose. Okay, let's wait for this. What do I want to do? Well, as I said, we're going to make a presentation. If you see, Canvas has many different designs. Yeah, if we want to create our own design, or if we want to make an infography, if we want to post in Facebook. In our case, we're going to do a kind of presentation. So we have different kind of examples. Yeah, so I am going to use one of the examples that I have here because it's easier and it's faster. Yeah, we have a short time to create it, so let's see. We're going to check out how many different examples we're having here. Let's see. Which one do I have to choose here? One easy and fast. Let's see. We're going to use this one. Okay. We need to wait. We have to wait. Okay, this is it. My topic will be about Flipped Classroom. So, by the way, I have to change this. This is the title. So, here we have to click to move and to erase this. So, I have to write my title, that is Flipped Classroom. Okay, if you want to use this, for example, I am going to use something different. I am going to write education. Let's see. You have to use your creativity. So let's see. Education. Yeah. This is, for example, if you want to write, I'm going to write it for secondary level. This is it. Yeah. This is the first that I chose here about Flipped Classroom, as you know. Then I want to make another one. So I am going to choose the second one. Yeah, this is the second one, but I want to do it in this design. So for this, I'm going to erase this information up here. I'm going to write what is Flipped Classroom. Yeah. For this, you're going to find, if you want to use this, or if you don't, yeah, just erase the part, make click, you erase this part, and if you want to erase, if you are not going to need it, you can leave it like that, or you can write something else. Then here I am not going to use this information, so I am going to apply another one that I have here. Let's see, Flipped Classroom. Here we have part of the information, Flipped Learning. For this, I can write is an approach that allows teachers to implement methodology in their classrooms. So I will choose this information. You have to do to make copy paste. Let's go to the part and we paste it here. Let's make click to this part. No. Okay. We paste the information. If you have to move it a little bit, yeah, if you think that is big, so you change it into, let's see, no, and we need more. Let's see. Let's see. You need to use your creativity, all your things to complement on this, okay? So this is it. If you want to put the kind of letter, yeah. So now on you have here what is Flipped Classroom. Let's go to the image, yeah. For this you can move this if we don't need it. We have to take it, yeah. See, here we have it. If you think that is useful, you can leave it like that. We use another page, but in this case, yeah, we have to choose one of these spaces that we have, one of these blanks. So for example, I can say, I can move up to here, or if you are not going to use this and you want to put information, you can erase it. The same with this one, yeah. At the same time, if you think that you are not going to need this kind of color, for example, in my case, you have different colors here, yeah, to change it. You can do it in different colors, for example, this violet, but I want to leave it with this color, yeah. Okay, let's continue. Here I want to apply, I want to put one image related to the topic. So I have to look, yeah, in my documents. In here, you have to look in all this, so, but you have to go to this space. You have part of images here, but I want to choose the one that I have about the topic, yeah. So here we have, let's go download, we open it, okay, Flipped Classroom. I have different kind of information and pictures related to, yeah. For example, in my case, I have here this one, yeah. So I have to move it and take it from here. If you want to change the size, like that, like this, let me see, and this is it, yeah. Now on, I want to put, sorry, another page. Yeah, if you see, we're using Canva. This is like a logo that I can use to represent my presentation. Yeah, for this I have to add, let me see, the different kind of information related to, yeah, let's see, here we have, let's add another one, another combination related to flipped classroom motivation. For example, if I want to add a title, yeah, so for example, I added, and I want to write, yeah, classroom motivation. So this is the way that I can work. Okay, you can change it because this is a kind of title that I can add if you want to add information here, but you have to erase this. Yeah, make a click for this, and by the way, we have this. Yeah, here click to add this because you're going to add more information. For example, we have this document in which we're having different kind of information and we can look it up. Yeah, and we have a part of the information that you can use it as motivation for the students, or by the way, you can add part of your information. For example, in my case, I can write flipped classroom motivation. Students feel agree, for example, with all the learning. Yeah. Another one you can say students think that this is the best way to enjoy their learning. Okay, for example, yeah. And if you want to add another page, this is it. This is the one that you can use, yeah. And for this, you can add, if you want, another image, yeah. Like always, we have to go to, again, we have to find information related to the topic that we're working. Let's see. Let's go. You can find, you can look, yeah. For example, flipped class. Then you open. Here we have. You can add all the information, the necessary information for you. Okay? For example, you can change it up to here, but you are in charge. You are in charge to order your information, your images, everything that you want to put on. Okay? Okay, for example, in my case, this is the one that I am going to be. Yeah? So this is my this is my presentation that I want to show to you. How can you make it? All the tools that you need to do it. Yeah, and this is it. So the last part that you have to do, for example, if you check here, we have different kind of work. Yeah, here we have you go to this. Yeah, you can share the link. You can present your work, by the way, your presentation, and at the same time you can download all the work that you have done here. Okay, so let me see. So here we have what do you want to do? Let's see. We are going to begin the presentation. Here we have the chance. Look at this. Let's see the previous presentation. Let's see. Okay. Look at this. You go here. You go here. And this is the last one. And this is it. This is the way that we can work our presentation in Canvas. This is just a short example. How do we work it? Okay? Thank you for everything and see you next time.